Yokita, your video is on. Please mute yours. Okay. Yes. Okay. Shall we start the session? We will start the session or wait for 5 minutes? Yes. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. No anyone reply. Why?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. Okay. We will start the session
Yes, ma'am.
or wait for 5 minutes? Yes. Henceforth, we will go for Jupyter Notebook. Yes, anyone having the Jupyter Notebook in your laptop, or if you are not having Jupyter Notebook, use it ideally, no any issue. Okay, but henceforth, they're having the module, importing the module. Easy to use Jupyter Notebook because of inbuilt library is available in Jupyter. That's why we will go for Jupyter Notebook. Okay, everyone understood? Yes. If it is possible, use it Jupyter Notebook for a practical purpose. Okay. Yes. Function. Last two, two, 2 week or 3 week. Yes. All of you know about function definition. Yes. Yes. But yet not we will do it any practical in function. Yes. फंक्शनचे प्रॅक्टिकल आपण अजून बघितले नाहीये. येस और नो? मग आपण आज two or three program we will see in today's lecture, in today's session. First, we will see how to create function accept the two argument, okay, passing the parameter. Yes. And then second one, calculate. All of you know about calculator program. Yes. And they're having the random inbuilt function. Okay. Random library. All of you know about random library. Yes. Today we will see 4 or 3 program. Okay. Yes. Join it fast because of we will start this session. Okay. All of you see this screen? Is it visible? Yes. Okay. Then we will start our first program, function program. Okay. We will write it file name function program. Okay. Then we will save this program, rename it. Okay. Yes. All of you see this screen? Is it visible? All of you found this sufficient for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go for our first program. Rohit, Rahul, Bhushan is available here. Sakshi. Yes. Vaishnavi. Yes. We will move forward our first program. First, we will create. First of all of you tell me what is meant by function. Yes, definition of function. Yes, all of you know about except Vedangi. Any one of you tell me what is meant by function. Because of so many, last week we will see it. Yes, we will see it. Yes. What is meant by function? Function definition. Write it, comment first. Create first program. Create a function. A function that can accept two argument. We will pass two argument means parameter. We will pass function parameters, name and subject. Okay. And print it. Print the value. Okay. This is our first problem statement in our function. Yes. Function means what? Taking a block of code. Okay. Define the block of code. Whenever we will call the function, then only then it is executed. This is mean by function definition. Yes, all of you understood? Yes? Yes? Give me reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Then we will go for DEF. Okay, DEF keywords is used for function declaration. Okay, DEF keyword, it is a definition. Okay, definition. Okay, DEF, it is a keyword in Python. We will use it for function declaration. Okay, then we will give it student. If it is possible, name and subject. Argument 2, we will pass it name and subject. Okay, means what? Student. Their students are name and subject, whatever their subject choice. Yes, take it, name and subject. Okay, and then white spacing and then print it. First print student name and then pass it here name. Okay, here name and then print the student subject. Okay, yes, then subject, write it here subject. Okay, and then run it. Yes, anything output is here? No. Why? Because we will not call function. Yes, that's why we will not run your program, because we will not call the function. Yes, calling the function
दुनिया आता ऑनलाईन झालंय पीडीएफ नोट वर येते
Hello.
आपल्याला हँडरेट करते थोडीच पार्सल करतोय की
Om Raje 71, roll number 71. Om Raje 71. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Please take care of your mobile is mute or video is mute. Yes. Whenever we will call your name, then only mute yourself and talk. Okay. Yes. Understood? Okay. Yes, we will start this. Yes. Whenever we will call the function, then only your program is run. Okay, then we will call it here student. Yes, name, suppose Rohit. We will write it here, Rohit. Yes, and then we will call it here DBE. Okay, yes, and then run it, Rohit and DBE. Okay, all are string. Suppose we will write it here, roll number. This is your problem statement. If it is possible, two argument, roll number, pass it student roll number and name, and print the value. Then what will be the output here? Your roll number and name. Okay, like this. All of you understood this much part? Yes? Yes, all of you understood? Suppose we will write it here. Write it here. T1. Suppose T1. T1. And call it. What happened here? What is the error here? Yes. Ty is not defined. Yes. Then we will write it here. Ty. Then run it. Rohit and DB. All of you understood this much part? Then we will move for our second, for your task. Same. Simple addition. Only do addition program. Take 10 minutes time. Using this function, do only addition. User defined function, take sum. Sum of some number, sum function. Use it sum function and do it addition. Only simple addition. We will move forward to calculator. Okay. Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi, understood? Only sum function, implement it and share your screen. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Only do addition program.
Ma'am, can I share?
Yes, yes. Wait for Vedangi. Vedangi, wait. Yes, Vedangi. You share your screen, right? You are now co-host. Share your screen. Okay. So A plus B sum equal to 5 comma 7. Yes, absolutely right. Okay. Okay. Yes. Then we will move forward for our second program. Okay, we will having the second program, simple calculator. Okay, yes, anyone tell me calculator function? Yes, how many operation we will do in calculator? Yes, in calculator program. How many operation we will do in calculator program? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes, like this. Then only this calculator program we will done in using the function. Okay, we will do it using the function. Okay, yes, all of you clearly understood what is our statement in today's practical program. Okay, yes. Then we will move forward. Second program statement, write it here. Write a program calculator. Okay. Yes. Then all of you know about function declaration. Okay. Function. First addition, we will do it A, comma B. Then by pasting. Okay. Next return statement, we will use it for doing the operation A plus B. Okay. And same operation. Take it, copy it, paste it, and paste it. Okay. Then second operation, we will do subtraction. Okay. Then multiplication, multiply. Okay. Multiply. Next division. Okay. Then put it here, minus into, and then here go to divide. Okay, run it. Anything happen here? Because only we will declare it, we will define it function. Yes, we will not print anything in your program. Yes. Then next statement, print it. Print simple calculations. Okay. Next one, write it here. Calculation operation. Write it here. Calculation operation. Print here 1, comma addition. Yes. Then print second operation, subtraction. Next third operation, print third point, multiply it. And then our fourth operation, print 4, comma division. Okay. Only we will print it. Yes. See here. Only we will print the 4 operation: addition, subtraction, multiply, and division. Any another operation we will do it? No, only print it. Any operation we will perform it right now? Yes, no, we will not any operation we will perform, only we will declare it. Yes, then print it. Then we will move for our main task. What is our main task? We will perform some operation. Yes, means addition, subtraction, multiply and division. Yes, then we will loop. We will go for looping statement. Take while loop, true, because it is always true condition. Okay, then we will move for, yes, all of you, if it is possible for operation, we will take it step by step. We will take it a simple arithmetic operator. All of you know about arithmetic operator. We will see all operation in one output. Okay, then I want to check only one operation at the one time. म्हणजे मला एकच ऑपरेशन एकाच टायमिंगला करायचं. येस, सपोज मला एक चॉईस दिली ऍडिशन, तर मला ऍडिशनच करायचंय. बिकॉज ऑफ कॅल्क्युलेटर मध्ये सगळे ऑपरेशन ऍट अ टायमिंगला होतात का? सबस्ट्रॅक्शन, मल्टिप्लिकेशन, डिव्हिजन, तुम्ही ज्या वेळेला त्याला इनपुट देणार, सपोज 3 + 4, 3 + 4 5 6 7 7. Yes, like this output is happening in calculator. Okay, means only one operation do at the one time. Yes, त्यासाठी आपल्याला चॉईस द्यावी लागणार. Yes, yes or no? We will take the choice first. Yes, CH is equal to input, enter the choice of the program. Yes, suppose 1 2 3 4, like this. Okay, then we will move for the next point. If statement, conditional statement, we will take conditional statement here. CH in, yes, Vedangi, in is keyword. In is a which operator? Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi, in is a which operator? कोणता ऑपरेटर है?
Membership.
Yes, like this. Only simple keyword is also important in your program. Okay, if to go inside. Okay, then 3, then 4. Yes, like this. Okay, then we will move for our next point. आपण किती स्टेटमेंट घेणार आहे, किती इनपुट घेणार आहे? 2 इनपुट घेणार आहे. कोणते कोणते? A and B. Yes, A and B इनपुट घेणार आहे. आपल्याला ते इनपुट तरी द्यावे लागणार. येस, नंबर, देन num is equal to int we will use for converting our string input to integer. Yes, then input, write it here, enter a number A. Okay, then num 2 is equal to int input, enter a number B. Okay, like this. Then we will perform our main task. Okay, if num, if your choice is equal to is equal to operator, which operator exactly is equal to, okay, then 1, choice is 1, then print num1 comma plus then num2 comma is equal to perform operation add num1 comma num2, okay, and take this, copy, paste, okay. Indentation also check it each time. Yes, indentation is important, okay. Indentation is very much important part, okay. Then our third operation, fourth operation, going to here, check it, 2 minus 2 sub, check it, my first declaration is sub, yes, then multiply, it, multiply, okay, then division, okay, yes, any operation, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, anything happen here? No, because we will not anything print it, we will not perform any task right now, okay, only we will check it, print it, okay. 4, then next calculation is equal to input do next calculate, yes, then no, okay, then if next calculation is equal to no, then break, then else, string invalid, okay. We will see all programs, we will correct it or wrong, check it once again, okay, and then once again you run it. What happened here? Here is what happened here? What happened here? Why it is not run? All condition are true. Yes. Choice in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. बरोबर आहे. Yes. Save as. Print. Number 1. Correct exactly. Yes. Okay. Save this. Once again run it. Okay, indentation. Okay, save this program. Once again you run it. Once again wait for me. We'll check what happened. Okay. Then run it. Correct. Invalid का दाखव. Invalid syntax. But hello. Mute yourself. Please check it if it is possible to resolve your side. Also tell me because of no any issues happening in there.
And can you share this program with us?
Yes. Wait. Because of indexation is also correct. And what happened here? Don't know. Indexation.
If else condition is remaining.
Else is here. Yes. If next calculation is wrong. Wait for me.